Hi everybody, here we are Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. Talk about where we're at in this pandemic. Oaknoll is currently free of the virus among our residents. We do have one staff person that you got a letter about who is off on their self-quarantine and will be released to come back to work on Sunday. So barring any further positive staff or residents in the next 5 days, or anybody becoming symptomatic with COVID symptoms, we are going to be able to stay in phase 3 and continue business as usual. I have had some questions this week about the case counts in Johnson County, and so I do want to talk a little bit about the precariousness at which we sit in phase 3. So this is move-in week for the University of Iowa. All the students are coming back, which I hear is 30,000 people into Iowa City. That makes me nervous. I'm sure you saw the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, Notre Dame, and then Michigan all have paused in-person classes due to coronavirus upticks, and they've gone to online learning. They are not testing the students at the University of Iowa, so we will not necessarily hear when they have asymptomatic cases. Those students are going to get tested if they get sick, and when they get sick, then Johnson County Public Health will do their contact tracing. I did have a meeting this morning with Sam Jarvis from Public Health, and they are hiring max load of contact tracers. So we'll have 50 contact tracers. So I think they are anticipating our cases to go up in the county. It would be silly not to think they're going to go up with that many people coming back to town. There's also been a glitch reported in the state database. I don't want you to worry about that glitch. They'll get it figured out and adjust the data appropriately, and I think it'll be retroactive, and so it doesn't impact what we're doing day to day right now. So I'm confident that we're okay to stay in phase 3 and continue doing what we're doing, but I'm also confident that that will change in time. I don't know when. I don't know how quickly we're going to see an increase in the case counts, but Steve and I are watching those cases daily. I'm in contact at least weekly with Public Health, and we will probably send out a letter if it's not on a Wednesday when we decide that we need to restrict things more carefully here at Oaknoll. Currently, you're okay to have visitors, limited visitors, more limited in the licensed areas, but everyone is still having visitors. We prefer the visitors stay outside if possible, just because the virus is less contagious outside. But if you want to have somebody in your apartment, that's fine. Independent living is not required to schedule visits. We just ask that you stay out of the common spaces so that the residents who live here who do not want to participate in that still feel safe in the common spaces. If you weren't around yesterday or today, off coronavirus for a second, we had llamas here. Check out the Facebook page and the website for pictures. I think I might be in love with a llama named Earl, but I'm not quite sure if we've made a commitment to each other. Other than that, I don't think there's anything I want to talk about. Just be careful out there. Wear your face shields and your face masks. Sanitize. Stay away from people you don't know. And we'll keep doing what we're doing while it's working, and we'll change it when we have to. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always available to answer questions. And if I forgot to talk about something, give me a call about that. Thanks. Have a great week.